Good morning friends. Previously we solved some example related to percentage in chapter number 8. Today we will continue with some examples and then we will learn about the increase or decrease and profit or loss. So here some questions are given. What kind of question can be asked? What kind of word problem can be asked related to percentage? So this kind of question can be asked for 1 or 2 marks. Question is what? In examination 94% of candidates passed and 114 failed. How many candidates appear? What is the question? 94%. This percentage is given a past percentage. Number is given failed number and we need to find how many candidates are appeared. So whatever numbers are appeared, from that some are passed out and some are failed. So from past percentage we can find failed percentage because total percentage is 100. So we can write past percentage is 94. So what is failed percentage? Because failed number is given, so for that we need to find the failed number, as we learned in the previous video that if the saved money and expense percentage is given, then we need to find first the saved percentage. Same here, failed percentage is 100 minus 94 is 6%. It means 6% of total student, 6%. That is a failed percent. Failed percent of total student is given 140. So here 6% of x is 140. We need to find the total student. Percentage means 6 by 100 multiply x is equal to 140. 100 will be in a multiply, 6 will be in a divide. So x is equal to 140 multiply 6 divide 100. 100 will be in a multiply and 6 will be in a divide. So 140 divided 6. 6. So it is 1906. This total students appeared in exam is 1900. Clear? Saved percent, past percentage is given. From that we need to find the failed percentage because failed number is given, and failed percentage of total students is 114. Means from the total students, some students are failed, so that percentage is given and number is given 140. Clear? Next one, same example like this. 12% of employees in a factory are female. Now female percentage are given. 12% of employees in a factory are female and the number of male employees is 294. Find the total number of employees, also find the number of female employees. What percentage is given here? Percentage of female employees and number of male employees are given. Number are different, percentage are different. So from the percentage we can find the percentage of male employees. So here we can write female employee percentage is 12%. So male employees percentage is 100 minus 12, that is 88%. So 88% of total employee is male employee. So we can write 88% of total. That will give male employee, and male employee number is 264. So here 88 divide 100 multiply total, we can assume it as a x 264. So 100 will be in a multiply, 8 will be in a divide. 264 divide 88. So 88 multiply 3. So it is 100 will be in a multiply, so 300. So total employee is 300. Clear? So from that 300 we can find the female employee. Percentage of female employees is given. From that we can find the percentage of male employee. Number of male employees given, so we can find that 88% of total employees number of male employees. And if we solve, we will get 300, that is total number of employees, and 36 is a female employee. Next one. Same, in a school 720 are boys and 40% are girls. Again 40% are girls, means percentage of girls is given, and number of boys are given. Find the total number of girls. How can we find? First we need to find the number of total students in a school. So we can write percentage of girls is 40%. So percentage of boys is 100 minus 40, that is 60%. Means 60% are boys. Means 60% of total will give the number of boys. We can write 60% of total students, that is number of boys 720. So we can write here 60 divided 100 multiply total student is equal to 720. So we can find x by take 100 in a multiply, 60 will be in a divide. That is 1200 number of total students. So number of girls is equal to total student minus number of boys. So we will get it is 480 number of girls. Now I hope you clear how to find the number from the percentage and this kind of word. Now after that we will learn about the increase or decrease. So what is increase? If for example price of petrol is 80 rupees before 1 month and now it is 86 rupees, so increase is 6 rupees. For one more example, if you buy a phone before 1 year and that cost 20,000 and after 1 year if you sell it in a 10,000, means that is a decrease in the price. So this is called increase or decrease. Same, if we take one example of car. If we buy a car before 1 year in a 5 lakhs and now we are selling it at the 3 lakhs. So there is a decrease of 2 lakhs in the price of car. Clear? So that is what about the increase and decrease. Now what is the equation for increase or decrease? Increase is original value, new value minus original value, and percentage increase is equal to increase divided original value. You need to remember this equation, nothing by nothing. Same, decrease is equal to original value minus new value, and percentage decrease, always original value you need to take in a denominator for percentage and of increase and decrease. Divide original value multiply. For example, if the price of petrol before month is 80 rupees, after month it is 86 rupees. So increase is 86 minus 80, that is 6 rupees. New value is 86, original value is 80, increase is 6. So we can write here 6 divided 80 multiply 100 to find the percentage increase. If we are considering cost of mobile phone, then decrease will be 10,000. So here we need to write 10,000, and we buy a phone before 1 year in a 20,000. So 20,000 Now let's take some example for increase and decrease. A student scored 3 marks more than what he did in the previous exam. Means whatever marks is there in the previous exam, in this exam he scored 3 more. For example, in previous exam he scored 15 marks, in this exam he scored 18 marks. So it is 3 more marks, means increased by 3, in which he had scored 12 marks. So previously he scored 12 marks, that is the original marks, in that increase of 3. So here for student 1, increase of 3 marks and original marks is 12. Next, another student scored 12 marks more than he did in a previous exam, in which he had 84. Means in a previous exam he had 84 marks and now he scored 12 marks more. Means increase in 84. So again for student 2, increase is what? Increase of 12 marks and original marks is 84. In which who had showed more improvement? So whose performance is better? For that we need to find the percentage. So we can find the increase. Here the example of increase is given, so we can find increase percentage is equal to increase divide original marks multiply 100. Increase is 3, original marks is 12, multiply 100, 4, 25. So percentage increase is 25%. Now for second student, increase is equal to increase. Here it is increase percentage divide original marks multiply 100. Increase is of 12 marks, 7. So it is 100 by 7. So it is 42 by 7%. Now whose performance is better? Student 1 improved more. So we can write improved more. Clear? Now next one. The size of bag that could hold 5 kg of sugar has now been increased so that it can hold 6 kg. What is the percentage increase in a size? So here weight of sugar bag is 5 kg. Now it is increased by 6 kg. So increase is how much increase in a weight? 6 kg minus 5 kg, that is 1 kg. So we can find the percentage increase is equal to increase divide original weight multiply 100. Now increase is of 1 kg, original weight is 5 kg, multiply 100. So it is 20% increase in a weight. Now here 3 examples are given that you need to solve it. Homework. Now next example. So here before that we will learn about the profit or loss. So what is profit and what is loss? Profit and loss is always counting of cost price. If we buy something in 100 rupees and we sell in 110, so we get more price, so it is a profit. How much more price we get? 10 rupees more, so it is 10 rupees profit. Loss means if we buy some article in 100 rupees and sell it in 90 rupees, and that is a loss of 10 rupees. So profit or loss is always calculated on cost price. So when we get profit and when we get the loss? When cost price is less than This is our buying price. For example, if we buy it in 100 rupees and sell it in 110 rupees, so we get profit, and profit is equal to SP minus CP, that is 110 minus 10, 100. Profit is of 10 rupees. Percentage profit equation is profit divided CP multiply 100. If we get cost price is greater than selling price, then we get loss. For example, our cost price is 100 and we sell it in 90 rupees. So we have a loss of 100 minus 90, that is of 10 rupees. So equation for a loss is cost price minus selling price. And equation for a percentage loss is equal to loss divide CP multiply. You need to remember this 4 equation for profit or a loss. Okay. Now let's take some example. If profit made on a packet of a tea is rupees 4, profit is given for 4 rupees, cost price is 20 rupees, find the profit percentage. Directly we can use because cost price is given. Profit is given 4 rupees, cost price is 20 rupees, multiply 100. So it is 20% profit. Next, Karin bought 150 dozen of a pencil at 10 rupees a dozen. Cost of, here he bought 150 dozen, cost of 1 dozen is 10 rupees. So we can write here cost of 1 dozen is rupees 10. So cost of 150 dozen is 150 multiplied 10 is rupees 1500. His overhead expense is 100. Based on that, some charges get that overhead expense is 100 rupees. So CP is 1500 plus 100 is 1600. This is a cost price. Now we sold it at 1.20 each. Each pencil is sold at 1.20 rupees. So here what is the cost of 12 pen because in a 1 dozen? So we can write here selling price of 1 pencils is 1.20 rupees. So selling price of 12 pencils, that is 1 dozen. So it is 12 multiply 1.20. It is 144 rupees. So it is 40.4 rupees. Now here he bought 150 dozen. This is the selling price of 1 dozen. So selling price of 150 dozen pencil is 144 multiply 150. Now multiply 40.4 with 150. So we get it is 2160 rupees. Now this is our selling price. This is our cost price. Here selling price is greater than cost price, so we get profit. So profit percentage, first we find the profit is equal to 2160 minus 1600, so that will give 60. And percentage profit is equal to profit divided CP multiply 100. 560 divide 160 multiply 100. So that will give the cost of, here the cost of 1 dozen is given. We find the cost of 150 dozen. Selling price of 1 pencil is given. From that we find the selling price of 1 dozen, and after that 150 dozen. So we get the selling price of 150 dozen is 2160. Selling price of, cost price of 1 dozen is 1600. So it is a profit. Profit is 35%. Clear? Now next one. A person bought 100 eggs for 50 rupees, out of which 4 eggs broken. He bought 100 eggs. Cost price of 100 eggs is rupees 50. 4 eggs are broken. So he sold 100 minus 4, 96 eggs. He sold the remaining eggs at the 8.50 per dozen. Here the cost of per dozen means per, for a 12 eggs is given. So we can write cost of 12 eggs is 8.50 rupees. So cost of 1 egg is 8.50 divided 12. If we divide this, we will get cost of 1 egg is we get the answer in a fraction. So we write as 850 divided 1200. Now this is the cost of 1 egg. We need to find the cost selling price. This is the selling price. Now here he sold 96 eggs. This is the selling price of 1 egg. Like this, he sold 96 eggs. So selling price of 96 eggs is 850 by 1200 by 96. So this is a selling price of 96 eggs is 68 rupees. Now he bought eggs in a 50 rupees, sold it at the 96 rupees. So it is a profit, and profit is equal to, how much profit he will get? 18 rupees. So you can find the percentage profit is equal to profit divided CP. 18 divided CP is 50 multiplied 100. It is 36% profit. Again, first here in a question, 100 cost price of 100 eggs is given 50 rupees. So from that 4 are broken, so remaining are 96 eggs, and after that he sold 96 eggs. Now the cost price, selling price of 8.50, that is selling price of dozen egg, means selling price of 12 egg is given. So from that we can find the selling price of 1 egg, that is 8.50 divided 12. So selling price of 96 eggs will be 68 rupees. So again cost price is 50, selling price is 68, so it is a profit. Profit is 18 rupees, and we get the percentage profit by 18 by 50 multiply 100, so it is 36% profit.